Good day. I'm Dr. Elisa Tiu, the Assistant Medical Director for Education, Training, and Research of San Juan de Dios Educational Foundation, a private hospital in the Philippines. When I was attending the 2023 ISOOG conference in Korea, I came to know that the Gynecology Academy was offering a course on gynecological ultrasound in Bangalore, India on May 3 to 5, 2024. I immediately registered online for the course and also for my accommodation in Sheraton where the conference will be held. Deep inside, I told myself, this conference will surely be good, knowing that it's Professor Mala Sibal who will be heading the conference. By the way, I'm also an alumnus of the Gynecology Academy, having had my online training in gynecological ultrasound. When I look at the scientific program, wow, they not only have interesting up-to-date topics in ultrasound, but also a fantastic lineup of well-known international and esteemed speakers like Professor Lil Valentin, Professor Antonia Testa, and Professor Matthew Leonardi, who all delivered excellent presentations on the topics assigned to them. The local speakers headed by Professor Mala Sibal were equally good, and just to name a few, we have Dr. Sonia Conchal, Dr. Ladbans, Dr. Pretty, and others who have delivered and shared their expertise in the field of ultrasound in obstetrics and gynecology, which were truly remarkable. One of the highlights of the scientific programs was the sessions wherein cases presented by Professor Antonia were discussed by a panel headed by Professor Lil Valentin. Each panelist shared their own opinions regarding the case presented, and I think the audience learned a lot from the exchange of views by the panelists. The fellowship was amazing, and we were glad that the Philippine team was invited by Professor Mala to give a dance number which the audience enjoyed as much as we enjoyed performing it for them. What makes the conference truly exceptional was the chance to interact with the speakers outside the formal sessions, and I am referring to the social events wherein we were able to visit the beautiful places, and one of my favorites was the Mysore Palace, which is known for its heritage structures, palaces, and unique culture. We end the day by having a snack of the delicious dosa. I even took a picture of it. I would like to end my testimonials by extending my heartfelt thanks to Professor Mala for inviting the Philippine delegates while we were in Korea, the organizers, speakers, and of course to Pallavi, who was always there in the booth, ready to assist the participants, and also to my fellow attendees. The conference was truly an enjoyable and unforgettable experience with lots of learnings. You can count me in your future conferences. Thank you all very much and hope to see you soon.